Hi, I'm Amy from eSpares, and in this video I'm going to show you our top picks of oven essentials to guarantee a Christmas dinner to impress. It's the most important dinner of the year, so I'm going to help you be fully prepared with everything you need to give your oven all the help it requires. To demonstrate how these products can benefit you, I'll be cooking my very own chicken too. If you wanted to get your hands on some of these, we've linked to each product in the description below. First up is the Universal Extendable Oven Shelf. Whether you're having a small gathering or a big party, there's still going to be a lot of food and you're going to need to maximise the space in your oven. This extendable oven shelf is exactly what you need. The shelf extends from 35cm to 56cm, so will fit in the majority of ovens, but be sure to measure your existing oven shelves to check before you buy it. To extend the shelf, you just need to pull out the edges like so. Then once you've reached the desired width, simply slot it into the oven. Now you can rest assured that you won't run out of oven space on the day and all your favourite trimmings will be cooked to perfection. If you've brought an extra shelf, but you think you still might run out of room, the next handy gadget is the Universal Oven Base Shelf. With this, you can utilise even more space in your oven as it simply slots in at the bottom. This is also a much better option than placing a baking tray directly at the base of the oven. Doing this will result in the tray getting too hot and burning the contents, and nobody wants burnt roasties. All you need to do is unfold the legs at either side and slide it into your oven. Then, when you're finished, you can fold the legs back in and it can be easily stored away. As well as the extra space in your oven, the shelf can also be used as a cooling tray. So if you're baking your own mince pies or a classic Christmas pudding, this would be a great addition to your kitchen too. You can purchase both of these items along with an extendable oven shelf with the Universal Oven Shelf Kit. Again, we've linked this in the description below so you can take a look at it. So now your oven shelves are prepped and ready to go, there's just one more thing you need before you turn on the oven. A hot oven means the shelves are going to be very hot too. As well as using gloves, you should take extra care not to burn your hands by using oven shelf guards on your shelves too. Made from silicone-based material, a shelf guard will protect your hands and arms from nasty burns that are easily done whilst cooking. It's 40cm in size and can be cut down to fit the length of your oven racks. Simply slot it onto the front of the shelf and adjust as you need to. The shelf guards can be easily removed and cleaned in warm soapy water. Now I'm going to show you some gadgets that will help you with the most important part, the cooking. Before you do anything else, you'll want to make sure that your oven's at the correct temperature to cook your food. This handy universal oven thermometer will help you do just that. Most ovens have an inbuilt temperature sensor, however, the oven thermometer will give you a much more accurate reading. It will let you know when your oven has reached the correct temperature so you can enter your food, and will monitor heat loss from opening and closing the door to add trimmings or check on the food. Keeping an eye on the temperature will also help you adjust your cooking times as needed, and ensure food is cooked at the desired temperature for as long as needs be. It is completely heat safe and super easy to use. All you need to do is place it inside your oven and it will monitor the temperature in Celsius. It also has a hook on at the top so you can hang it off the shelf or stand it at the bottom of the oven whilst cooking. When your oven has reached the correct temperature, it's time to get started. If you're cooking meat with your Christmas dinner, a meat thermometer will help you make sure that it's cooked to perfection. Whether you're cooking turkey, chicken, beef, pork or lamb, this handy gadget will let you know when the meat is ready to be served. All you need to do is insert the probe into the meat and watch where the dial lands. The diagrams on the thermometer will show you what line the dial should be on when your meat is cooked. If it's not quite there, pop it back in the oven and check it again in a few minutes. Finally, to prevent the cleanup operation from being too difficult, you may want to invest in a reusable non-stick oven base liner. Suitable for fan, gas and electric ovens, this base liner will help you catch food, drips and grease whilst cooking to make cleaning easier and also protect your oven from damage. All you need to do is slot it at the base of your oven and let it work its magic. It's reusable and can simply be popped in the dishwasher along with everything else once you finish cooking. So there you have it, our top gadgets and accessories to help you with cooking the perfect Christmas dinner. As well as making your cooking a breeze, we've even got some tips on how to make oven cleaning easier too. Check out our video below for a step-by-step guide on how to quickly and easily clean your oven after a long day of cooking. Thanks for watching!